Good morning, honor present here. 23 ITO 201 software testing, open active, third year, sixth semester. Unit 5 testing automation, topic project progress and productivity metrics. The last class we have seen saw the topic name is uh, testing and metrics and evaluations. So this is one of the way. This is the second one. So based on project process progress and productivity metrics, is easily analyze your one of the particular software. So this is a way based on first project, second project, or third project. So easily compatibility of a product of process. So this is a empathy of my software testing metrics, progress, quality, and productivity and health. So progress based on metrics indicated the progress of the software testing process. For example, procurement and design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. So requirement, first collect your project, collect the requirement from your stakeholder and customers side. After once verify and segregate your one by one. After that, design, the once the design is over and complete your design, once showcase to your customer or stakeholder, the customer is accepted, you can complete your solutions. Otherwise, you can rework your design after going to once accepted your customer, you can going to shift to implementation. After implementation is okay, you can going to test the process, give a username and password. If you write, you can go to next one, implementation your customer area, and maintain 3 months or 6 months or 9 months in your process. Next one, quality metrics measure quality of the product software being a tester. For example, you take this pen, whether the how to check your quality because of you writing a pen, whether is quality of ink is okay, you can accept your customers. So more number of product can be accepted in the sectors. The second one, productivity based on metric access the productivity of the software testing team based on your example of area. Next one, health metrics are reflect the overall health of the software the testing process in the sectors. So this is an important metric of software product. The first can identify early problem identification. Second, your allocation of resources. Third, monitoring progress. And fourth, continuous improvement. So first, measure defect density and arrival rate to spot trends. And second, allocation of resources. Identify area needing most testing for optimizations. And third one, your monitoring process. Track the test cases, run the completion rate, and plan adherence. And third one, your continuous improvement based on your metrics provide, based on your feedback of ongoing testing procedure, based on your developments. So this is a type of testing metrics based on project metrics, process metrics, and product metrics. The resource project metrics based on your resource estimation. For example, you buy any new softwares compared to your market, whether it's okay, you can buy a software and implement your sector and do more number of projects based on your feedback from your stakeholder and customer and your developers. So delivery estimation based on cost estimation starting to ending of a product, starting from requirement and second design, the implementation, testing and maintenance web area. And cost determination based on whether what is today cost, what is tomorrow, what is day of tomorrow. And productivity assessment based on your criteria or test cases. If you accept, you can give a if any mistake is done, you can give a penalty about your developer or testers. And flow identification, if any flaw is available, that means mistake is available, you can identify, rectify your site in your area. And process metric, SDLC, software development lifecycle improvement, and software development lifecycle maintenance. If any changes are required, you can modify your customers. Example, you can use a rapid developments or iterative cycles are needed, you can use that one, you can implement the process. Next, product oriented based on software quality and developer improvement. If you developer lack of example lack of knowledge, you can give a training period and give a after you can implement your area and create your software new softwares in the particular company. So this is the software metric comparison. For example, defect metrics, schedule adherence, and defect severity, test case efficiency, and defect finding rate, and defect fixing time, and defect test case coverages, and defect causes. These are a basic comparison of software metrics in your area. So one of the example. Problem example for software testing metric calculation. For a let us take example of calculate testing metrics. Testing metrics a number of requirement five. Average first one test metrics. The side data retrieved during test case development. So number of requirement five. Number of average test case written per requirement 40. Number of test case written for all requirement 200. Number of test case executed 164. Number of test cases passed 100, number of test cases failed 60, number of test case booked 4, number of test cases unexecuted 36, number of total number of defect identified 20, and defect accept valid by the DevOps team 15, defect differ from future release 5, and defect fixed in 12. So give up based on this condition. First condition, first test case executed, the second test case effectiveness, failed test case percentage, block test case percentage, and fixed defect percentage, and accepted a defect percentage, defect differ from percentage. You can analyze this. These things are verify your area. You can accept the process. So this is my activity. Understanding project progress of productive metrics. Activity title: measure your project performance based on 3 to 5 groups. And task description: project metrics, progress metrics, product metrics. Metrics type: project metrics, progress metric, productive. And example metrics: schedule, variance, percentage of completion, test case per day, value +2 day delay, 70% and 25. So you can using a web project based on this condition, you can accept your customer. Okay, no problem. You have implement. If you not accept, you can fast movement. You can develop your software and are applicable to all criterias. So this is my project progress productive metrics. Project metrics are used to yes, answer is B. Measure project performance, and which metrics measure the status of work completed based on progressive metrics. This is my mind map. Easily understand customer or my students. So progress metric, formula, example, productive metrics, analysis, project metrics. First one, progress metrics, percentage of completed per today or tomorrow. What is milestone? What is my task to complete it today or tomorrow? Formula, percentage execution, effectiveness, fail rate. Examples, delay 3 days, 80 percentage of done, and 30 tests per day. And productivity based on LOC, lines of code per development, test per day, and defect per day. And analysis on time, efficiency, improvements. And project metrics, cost and schedule and effort based on that conditions. So this is my textbooks and references. One of the example, you can take books, you can use that one.